Hey guys, how to install Delta Force on PC? Want to install Delta Force on your PC? I'll show you the quickest way to download and install it step by step. Let's start. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now first of all, open web browser in your laptop and search Steam, link in description. Open the Steam website and then click the top Install Steam and again click the Install Steam. Steam downloading will start it, please wait. Downloading is completed and open download folder on your laptop. And this is Steam setup and double click and install Steam from here. But my laptop is already installed. Installation is completed. To open Steam and create an account or sign in. And search for Delta Force in the Steam. And click the Delta Force. And scroll down and click the Add to Library and click OK. And Delta Force added to library and click the top library. And find here Delta Force, click on it. And click the install and here select this drive to space available and click the install. But my laptop is not available space, this is why my laptop doesn't have an install button.